Welcome back to Broken Brock Garage, and today we're going to be putting the Edelbrock, I think it's a 1906 or something like that, carb on this truck. Has the old quadrojet, if you want to get a look at that. Morgan in there. Morgan's out here, she wants to say hello. We also got Max running around, helping out, you know, he's making all this happen. If he's not out here, this would not get done. Is that right, Morgan?
I guess.
What?
I guess.
He's the guy that does this operation. I'm trying to dig the carb out. I'll get it out real quick and then I'll come back. Alright guys, so this is the carburetor. It's the 1906. We got a gasket with it and some doodads for the choke, which we might not hook up right now. That might be a later on thing. Just want to see if we can't get the truck to run somewhat decent with it before we pull the engine out. And this is for the throttle I ordered. So let's start pulling this old carb off. Why don't we? Wait. It's not too hard. It's just that line and like 4 bolts. It's really not bad at all. I've had it off before. So let's get going with that. I'll get all the tools out and we'll start ripping it off. Alright guys, so we unhooked the fuel line, the choke stuff, and the throttle cable, which I don't think it's even correctly on this. I'm gonna have to look into like how it correctly goes for this. Just trying to get the carb bolts loose now. There's only 4 of them. Zip these things up there real fast. And don't, this video will come out before I wet sand the hood and stuff and repaint that, I think. But yeah, I'm just kind of taking a break from that stuff and wanted to do something different for a change. Not a bad idea, is it, William?
No.
But yeah, we'll be wet sanding the hood and the tailgate if you want to show them how bad the hood is real fast, Morgan, while I'm trying to get this off and take a little glimpse of the tailgate. Yeah, we'll wet sand all that down and then the tailgate, and then we'll repaint it. Go on to something new. I got a whole list of things how I'm going to do it for the truck. So pretty much from here on out, you guys are going to get truck video at least once a week, plus maybe extra videos here and there depending on what I do. And what's on Max's agenda first. He might want us to do something, I don't know. You know, Max runs this show. Okay, after I get these bolts out in the back, we can pull this thing right off. Oh, that just pulled right out of there. That's not supposed to happen. Alright, pull this last little vacuum line off. Which I don't even know. I don't think that's where that's supposed to go. Actually, I don't know. Gonna have to look into vacuum lines and see how they actually supposed to go for this truck. But yep, we just set that down there for now. And we might, now that I think about it, I don't think we can even put this carb on right now. We might need a spacer for this intake, or we might have to swap the intakes too. So let me check this situation out. I don't know. I don't think you're supposed to put these on like that. Yeah, it's gonna need a spacer or something.
I told you that like 2 weeks ago.
Well, like the other intake don't need it. Alright, well, we're gonna be stuck in the water for a little bit. Let me see what I can do for a spacer. We will resume to this, or whatever, however you say it, after we either figure out if we're gonna get a spacer or just put this intake on it. But either way, we need gaskets if we do that, and you know, it's gonna take a minute. So I just threw the other carb back on, the old one for now, so just so I can move the truck in and out of the garage, so I can wet sand the hood and the tailgate. We might wind up actually getting it painted before this carb goes on. So if we do, you'll see that video first. If not, you'll see this one first. But yeah, stay tuned. We'll be back. I told you we'll be back. Now we got the carb spacer. This is supposed to make one of these go onto an intake that had a quadrojet on it, and that's what's on the truck. But like, if you look at the back of it, my intake don't look like that, I don't think. I don't remember. This one definitely doesn't, so I don't know if I can use this intake. I'm gonna have to figure some stuff out, but we're gonna try it. But yeah, this is what I ordered. It was supposed to be here like 3 days from like, took 3 more days, but it delivered today. It delivered early, so I don't know where it came from, but I'm happy with that. Let's cut this bad boy open, see what we got. See if we can't get the truck to run with this carb today. At least get it on it. And I wound up not taking the truck out of the garage because I didn't really have enough time. This wasn't supposed to be here for a few days, so I just left it in here. And but I did wind up wet sanding the hood. Now it's pretty smooth. Still needs a little more work on the edges here and there, but I think we're almost ready for 2 more coats of base coat, and then we can clear it and see what it looks like. Hopefully we don't got no stripes or nothing, and not redoing it. That would suck, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, this came with gaskets too, which is nice. But we got 2 gaskets, which we're gonna need, and the spacer itself. Pretty good quality, it seems like, and hardware. So I gotta whip that carb back off because we put it on because I was gonna move the truck out because that wasn't supposed to be here for a while. But yeah, after I get that off, we'll get that space on, see what it looks like. Here we go, guys. We're gonna throw the gasket down, get the line up. Excuse me.
Awesome.
Thank you. Then we're gonna throw the I don't think that's gonna work. Have to
Put the bigger holes in the bag.
Can't. The bigger holes go with the bigger holes.
Yeah, the bigger holes go in the bag.
Oh, do they? Hold on, guys. I guess so. But still, there's like a piece of the gasket inside. You see that?
No, it's just your intake then.
Hopefully that's not gonna get sucked in. What if we can try? I don't know. But, you know, we'll try it. And then we're gonna shove that down like that. And these little screw things in here. Something like that. All 4 corners. Hopefully this gives us enough space too, and because it was hitting down here.
Should we put the other thingies in?
What things?
Well, other things.
The little studs, yeah, we'll get to those. Let's screw these halfway in, see what happens, and get the carb and see if it even is going to work, you know? Might be a big waste of time, you know what I'm saying?
Hopefully not.
Okay, that's good enough to see if it's gonna work. I'll come over here, grab the carburetor. Nice and chrome. Looks good, matches the truck perfectly. Right, Morgan? Nice and shiny.
No, it does not.
Well, let's see. Should work. Sweet. Let's take this thing back off so we don't break it. If that's even possible to break the carburetor. And we gotta go ahead and step these. I'll just show you guys real quick what I'm gonna do. These are gonna go into these holes on the other side, like that, all 4 of them. Tighten those down, and then a nut goes on top of that for washer to bolt the carb down. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and then we'll start hooking the carburetor up. So we'll be right back. Heck yeah, guys! I just wanted to get on here, and I'm tightening it down now. Got the bolts on, but I just wanted to say how good I think this looks. I can't wait to get the rest of the engine done and the truck painted. This is really motivational for me. The fuel line's all the way up here, which we might be able to run it today, but I need to get like a relocation kit or whatever you would call them to get it down here. I seen they sell kits for that. But yeah, let's get this thing tightened down, and then I'll just hook all the vacuum lines up to it because I kind of got to figure out how they go the best that I can, and I'll let you guys see what I did to it. I'll explain it as thoroughly as I can, but I'll be back after this thing's pretty much ready to start up. So it's somewhat hooked up, guys. We might have to get a new throttle cable. I'm pretty sure it's stretched. It's not getting full throttle, but it is throttling. So let's see if it'll start up. Hopefully it doesn't like freaking take off and rev high like crazy. You think it's gonna start up, Morgan?
No.
I'll try to adjust the idle and then I'll get back to you guys. Carbon, but we're gonna take it down the driveway and see if it dies still. I actually flooded it out, so I had to get it running again. See if the light's still work. Yeah. So far, so good. It runs a lot better. Like so far. Like it actually wants to go somewhere. Maybe we could drive it back to Florida.
Oh, no.
Not yet.
No.
Coming soon. Get my license back to Bush road trip I go on. Take the truck to Florida. Yeah, it's just high idling right now. Well, we can figure that out. It's not dying no more. That's a good thing. Well, that's going to be the end of this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more. And you guys will see me in another video. I'll tell you guys what I did to get the idle down lower. And I'll show you guys running later on. But carb soft, so far success.